Hearing whistles, shrieks and wails, she can't stop and off she sails. If you catch that haunted train, making clouds of smoke and flame, if her safety signal fails, your train goes off the rail. Don't catch that train, don't stoke the fire, don't break our coals, don't catch that train. Drive that haunted train, let the devil take the blame. Ride it bloodshot down the line, reckless engine in a pantomime. If you catch that haunted train, as it hurtles black with shame, if you ride it, hold on tight, as it screams right through the night. Don't catch that train, the phantom flyer, don't play the fool, don't catch that train. Train in dark tunnels, slants the rain, over junctions to the sea. I see you, I see me. If you catch that haunted train and our movements start to wane, we'll forget everything we said, wave goodbye from the starting shed. Don't catch that train, don't stoke the fire, don't break hot coals, don't catch the train. Don't play the fool. Haunted train, haunted train, phantom player. Don't play the fool.